Okay, next I'm going to show you the configurations for EIGRP with IPv6. So we're going to go once again into router 1. Now this time around there's a bit of a change. I actually have to go into the routing process by saying IPv6 router EIGRP 100, and I'm picking the autonomous system ID as 100. Nice, easy number to remember. And then I'm actually going to have to say no shutdown to the routing process to enable it. That's the only difference that we're going to see between OSPF version 3 and IPv6 EIGRP. Next, I'm going to go to my fast Ethernet interface. And very similar to OSPF version 3, I'm going to say IPv6 EIGRP 100. Then I'm going to go to my serial link and say IPv6 EIGRP 100. Exit out. Let's go to router 201. And I'm going to go into my routing process again. Router, or IPv6 rather. IPv6 router EIGRP 100. No shutdown. And then go into my interface and enable it on the interface. And then IPv6 EIGRP and the autonomous system ID. And almost immediately you see that the neighborship has gone up. So if I check show IPv6 EIGRP neighbor, if I could type GRP neighbors, and I see that my neighbor has been picked, and it picked the link local address for my neighbor address. The FE80 address is the link local address. Okay. Next, I look at my IPv6 routing table. So show IPv6 route. And once again, D denotes that this is an EIGRP route, and I'm getting it from router 1. And this is router 1's link local address. So we can go confirm that. It's 4C7D. The last field is 4C7D. If I go into router 1, and I say do show IPv6 int brief, I see that serial 000's link local address is 4C7D. So remember I said that routing protocols or IPv6 routing protocols pick as their next hop address the link local address of the next hop router. So you see that EIGRP is doing just that, or IPv6 EIGRP is doing just that. Other than that, you don't need to know the intimate details of OSPF version 3 and EIGRP with IPv6. So this concludes the configuration part of IPv6, OSPF, and EIGRP.